Hello friends, welcome back to my channel if you're returning, and if this is the first video of mine that you're catching, welcome. My name is Rachel and I'm a reseller on sites like eBay, Poshmark, and Mercari. And today we're doing a 90-day update on the Boutique by the Box J. Crew shoes box I ordered a few months ago. So if you want to see how I did, what my results were, and if I would buy another one based on my results, definitely stick around. So I had first purchased the J. Crew Madewell shoe box, which I did a 90-day update on a few weeks ago, I believe. And I really liked that box. I liked the price point. I liked the quality of the items that I ordered. And so this one was just J. Crew, and they released this one a few weeks later. I decided to give this one a try as well. This one was 10 pair of shoes for $162. Most likely I had used my 10% off code to get this. They were probably $180 maybe or something like that, and I had like a 10% off code. I will link the original unboxing video down below if you want to watch that. I did rate this box based on the quality of items, ease of listing, and profitability in 90 days back when I first opened it. So today what I'll do is I will share with you what sold, how much it sold for. I'll share with you what I have left. And then at the end, I will completely re-rate the box and give my recommendation if I would buy this box again based on my actual results. So if you like reseller content, consider subscribing to my channel if you're not already. I'm so close to 6,000, which I know is not that big of a number, but for me it is because, you know, the reselling niche is very small, and you know, it's been a journey for me, and it's exciting to be that close to 6,000. So if you feel so inclined, please hit that subscribe button, hit that like button to let me know you like this kind of content. And let me know if you ordered this box. I feel like it was only available a short time, and then it like was never available again. So if you ordered it, let me know your thoughts. And if you see anything that's still for sale, go ahead and check out my Poshmark, eBay, or Mercari and make me an offer, because I am, you know, trying to make room for some new stuff. So this will be a short and sweet little video. It was only 10 items. I've sold 5 of the 10. I have 5 left. Everything that came in this box was completely like brand new in box, first quality, no flaws. So that was wonderful. It was very easy to just list. And there were 5 of the 10 were the exact same pair of boots, though 4 of the 5 I still have. I've only sold 1 pair. So it's really like these results could go either way. $16.20 per pair, $162 for the box. I'll show you the lowest sale price to the highest. Then I'll show you what I have left, and then I'll re-rate the box at the very end. Okay, so the lowest sale was the Anya Scrunchy Ballet Flats. These were a size 7.5, and these took a little over 90 days to sell, and I did accept a $30 offer on Poshmark. So not the greatest profit margin on these, but again, they were over 90 days. They were pink and flats, so I think more of a spring and summer season type shoe. And as we were moving into fall, I felt like they were just going to sit here. I've really been trying to sell more shoes because I've seen really great profit in shoes, and my space is not really set up to store a lot of shoes. So it became one of those things where it was more beneficial for me to go ahead and sell them off and free up the space, as opposed to like letting them sit here for the whole winter. So $30 on those by offer. I offer discounted shipping. I have my Posher VA to send 10% off with discounted shipping every 5 minutes after the item is liked. So most likely that's what happened here. The buyer received a $30 offer with the $4.99 shipping, which they did accept. Then I sold the Fisherman sandals. These were the brown Pazzilato. I guess that's the name for this type of leather. These were only listed a week, but they did sell for $35 on Poshmark. These didn't sell for super high either, but given what they were, again, We're talking sandals. They were summertime and they didn't retail for very high. Either that or they might have been like on clearance. So it's kind of like that was the fair price for those. And I wasn't necessarily expecting to get more than that. I sold one pair of the Spazzo rib cuff boots in Italian leather black. These were the size 9, and these sold actually just recently in October. They sold on Mercari for $47.25. I did list these a lot higher than that, but like I said, I still have the other 4 pairs, so they're really not moving. We are getting into winter season, which these boots are they're not the type of boots that you're going to sell in the middle of summer typically. So I'm not necessarily surprised, but given that I have at least one more pair in this size, I was like, you know what? It's Mercari. They don't take fees. That's still a decent profit margin for me. And I went ahead and accepted the offer. Here's another pair of the fisherman sandals. These are the Spazzato leather, which I've never heard of. I feel like that's kind of just made up. It might not be, but these sold on Poshmark for $40. These were listed about 3 weeks. But again, that was a fair price to me, given how much they were, sold for originally and how much they were probably worth. And the highest selling item out of this box were the raffia slip-on espadrille sandals. These were a size 7, and these sold within 5 weeks on Poshmark for $58. Seasonality wise, it was right on track. These were summer shoes. They sold in summer. So that was pretty much as expected. And those are the 5 pair that sold. This is not going to be the longest video I've ever made because it's not the most exciting with these 10 pair of shoes, and 5 were the exact same pair of shoes. So what are still left? The Spazzo rib cuff boots. That's hard to say. Spazzo rib cuff boots in black Italian leather. I've got 2 pair of 5.5, a 9, and a 7. Those are all still here. They really are nice boots. 5.5 is kind of a hard sale. I mean, I think there's a buyer out there for everything, and there's somebody that needs a 5.5. So I'm sure they will sell eventually. But I mean, I do think that as we move into the winter season, and in boot season, these do stand a better chance. And then the biggest, most substantial pair of shoes in this box are also still here, and they've gotten a lot of attention, but I do have them priced high, and I think my price is fair. So I am just kind of trying to ride it out. It didn't help me for the sake of this video, but these are the Italian black patent leather boots. These are a size 10. They're gorgeous. They are completely pristine condition, beautiful patent leather, brand new in the box, and they retailed for hundreds of dollars brand new. So I do have them listed kind of high. They've gotten some decent attention, but no takers just yet. Although again, with the fall season being here, I am confident that they will move here soon. So I'm not necessarily mad about that. I will tend to sell out of season stuff at a little bit less of a price. Obviously, if you think about the laws of supply and demand, and I may have sold those for a little less in the middle of summer if someone wanted them, but now I feel like we're into the fall and winter season. I don't have a reason to necessarily let those go for too low. It is quite a big box, so I would like to have the space, but I also feel like that's a big sale. That's a substantial amount of profit to be made on one item that I'm willing to kind of wait for the right buyer for. Ease of listing, I probably rated this an oh yeah in the beginning initially when I unboxed. I'm going to give this an oh yeah again. It was really, really super easy, especially because 5 of the 10 pair were exactly the same. That doesn't always work out when you have 5 of the same items and they're not selling. But as far as ease of listing, that made it super, super easy to get this stuff listed very quickly. So this is my kind of box when it comes to ease of listing. I will give this an oh yeah for sure. Quality of items, I gave it an oh yeah in the beginning, and I will give it an oh yeah again. Everything was pristine, brand new in box, first quality, no flaws. It's the most you could ask for. It's as described, and everything was 100% ready to list. I didn't have to do any additional work to list anything. And then profitability in 90 days. So here's where we have to do a little math. I paid $162 for the box. My goal typically with a box like this, where I pay up a bit, I would say this is paying up. $16 per pair of shoes is paying up. Now, granted, they are new, but still, that's kind of a big, that's a big amount. So typically I want to at least double my money if we're talking 90 days. Again, most of what was in this box was not seasonally appropriate for the summer. Some of it was. The lower priced items were, but the boots, not so much. So there's that. So my total profit so far is $174.97. I paid $162 for the box. So basically I'm broken even. I made a few dollars, but not much in the green. We're not too far in the green. So I did not get close to doubling my money. So that being said, if I'm following my rules of how I want to double my money in 90 days, I'm going to have to give this an oh no. However, I'm going to give it an oh okay, just because I kind of knew when I opened this that this was going to be one of those boxes where I had to just wait for this season to roll back around. So I will be interested to see. I think I can get really close to, if not probably surpass doubling my money. Even if I just sell the leather boots for over $100, right? I'm going to double my money just right there. And then I've got all of those other rib cuff boots that, there's a lot of money to be made on this box still. So it didn't hit my 90-day mark the way I would like. That's a little less than ideal, but I am still very hopeful. So I'm going to give it an oh okay. I'm not going to give it an oh no. I'm not going to poo-poo it just yet. I think we really need more time for this one just because of the seasonality. So you'll have to let me know in the comments what you think. If you disagree, do you think I can sell off these boots in the next month or so to really bring this one home and say this one was a really, really good box? Definitely let me know down below. Make sure you subscribe to the channel if you like videos like this. I love sharing these 90-day updates. It brings me joy to know that I can potentially help someone else with their reseller business just by sharing what's working for me or what's not working for me. Sometimes it ends up being what's not working for me. So definitely hit that like button if you could. That helps out the channel. And that is it for today, friends. I appreciate you watching. I will catch you in the next video.